hyaluronic concentrate. I bought this last year, so I like to order from them in November because they do a 23% off everything in November for the whole month. So that's when I stock up. Okay, my camera just shut off, so I don't know what I got filmed. This is the chemistry brand hyaluronic acid. Put this, it's a concentrate. They call it a big tub of hyaluronic acid. Put it on your skin if you got really dry skin. You can also put it in your hair. Hylamide Pore Flush, and that is exactly how you spell my name, Hyla. Yes, and yes, that's why I tried the brand, because it's got my name in it. Of course I was going to try some of the brand, but this is what it looks like. And if you have anybody in your family that has acne, this really helps. Another tub of that, because I wanted to get a year's worth of stuff here. Body serum. I've never tried this before. It's the chemistry brand again. Keeps you looking hair free for longer. We'll see if that works. Supposed to put it on after you shave. We will see. Extreme Hydration Concentrate. Again, the chemistry brand. This was the only thing I got of the Hylamide because they were out of everything. I don't know if they're discontinuing it or if they're like redoing the formulas or redoing the packaging or something. One of those things, I'm sure. Really dry skin right now. Hands especially, knuckles cracking. It is nice and thick. Oh yes, feels nice and soft. It's not greasy either. Nice. Okay, glycolic acid, 7%. All the rest of this is the ordinary. That's too hard to get out. You'll just have to take my word for it. That's like a toning solution. It's also good for acne too. Okay, and then I got two things of the natural moisturizing factors for my face. Just the moisturizer for my face. I usually buy the bigger one, but they were out. So I got two of the small ones. And that will not last me a year, but it will last me a few months. Same with the squalene cleanser. I usually get the big one. They were out, so I had to get the small one. I still have some, so I'm not completely out, so it will last me a while. This is really good makeup remover. You don't get your face wet. You rub this on. You rub it on your fingers, and then you rub it on your face, and it takes the makeup off, and then you rinse it off, and it takes all the makeup off really easily, and it doesn't irritate your skin. 100% plant-derived hemisqualene. Again, it's kind of like an oil, but you can put it in your hair, you can put it on your skin. I got 2 bottles of that. It's really cheap. All this ordinary stuff is very inexpensive. And then caffeine solution, I put that under my eyes. None of this is like expensive. I don't buy any of the expensive serums or anything. So there should be 12 items. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. That's it. That's it for my ordinary and the chemistry brand and Hylamide order. This was not Black Friday, it was November, but I almost forgot. I waited till the end of November to get my order in, so thankfully I was able to get my stuff in. It looks like a lot, but like I said, it's going to last me for many, many months. This I ran out of in just like a few months, so I got 2 because I like to buy it when it's on sale. So that is it for that haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Don't forget to tap that bell for notifications on my uploads, live streams, and premieres. I upload new videos just about every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Click this link right here to subscribe to my channel. Here is my most recent upload. Here is a playlist. Here is a playlist I think you will enjoy, and here is one more video. Here is one more video. Here is one more video I think you will enjoy.